I did it! Going in circles. Yeah, I'm gonna get dizzy. Woo!
Quiet on set!
I have something special for you!
Hello, boys and girls. My name is Nolan, your toy expert, and here I'm unboxing these 2 water guns from Toy Story. That's my favorite movie from Disney. So we're going to feature this one second and this one first. So this one is called the Buzz Lightyear Water Blaster. It's hard to say water blaster. And his enemy, what is his name? I don't know what his name is. Wait, what? Zurg Water Blaster. Couldn't see it. That's funny. And we need to know how far it goes, because if I had a battle and they're like super far, like 20 feet away from me, I wouldn't get them. And it shoots up to 19 feet. I said 20, so still go not far. And it says 5 to 8.8 meters. Does it say it right? And it looks like that. It's the same thing. So let's see on the back. Ooh, it says the same thing, and there's 3 ways to shoot it out. So this one, it says rotate the barrel to choose 1, 2, or 3 streams. Oh, that's just in Spanish. But that's cool. And you see there's 3 stuff how to do it, and there's 1 shooting out, 2 shooting out, and 3 shooting out. And water capacity? That's a tough word. And the Buzz Lightyear, my favorite, infinity and beyond. It says turn nozzle to adjust between single stream focus or multi-stream shot. So it looks like you can do this, and it shoots out 2 ways. This one would be better because it has 3 ways. So this one looks like it's going short, and this one going very long. That is cool. So that's it. Let's unbox these cool water blasters. So I'm gonna do this one because it looked like a sniper, and that's my dad's favorite gun. So there's some tape. You need some scissors. If you're too young to use scissors, ask the parent. So I'm opening this. I'm dreaming. I'm thinking what I keep saying and I'm thinking how fun it would be if I had a battle with my family or my friends when I use these cool things. It's so cool. I can't even take this tape off. It's so hard. I'll just try and keep it on. Okay, I got it off. And let's cut the other tape off. There we go. Still hard to get the tape off your hands. It's like something crawling on you. So that's open. That was on from the thing. And this is on the bottom. There's a lot of tape on this. It's cool. It's hard. Ooh, got it. I don't really have to take it off because it just cuts in 2 pieces. Okay. Still won't open because they still got more tape on this side. Okay. Use this one. So hard on this side. Just fell. And is there any more on this tape? Nope. And there's still more on the bottom. It's hard to get these now on this part. It's like you have to be Wreck-It Ralph because he can just like. I'll use some of my hand power. Oh, there's tape on this, on here. Gotta get off the scissors. Okay. Okay, it's very hard to use this. Finally, I got it off. Ooh. Use your... Ooh, I got it. I finally got it. Ooh. And you can see... Oh, it said you can turn the nozzle. Oh, I finally see it. Do I have to pull it open? What? Oh, you have to get this. Oh, there's tape inside this whole time. Oh. What? I'm gonna get it. I managed to get that part out. But how do you... That's weird. I don't know how to do this. Oh. You have to do this. Oh. This. I forgot that was on. It's like invisible. What? How do you come? Okay. Yeah. I need my parents to buy me some left-hand scissors. Use all your might. Yep, I don't know how to open that. Oh. Oh. That's why. Finally outside the box. So, all your might. I got it. Finally get it. Oh. Okay. So your scissors might get stuck with the black piece because this is holding it back. So I managed to get it from here, but it didn't go in the black piece. I might need some assistance, so I might ask my dad in, or my mom. Dad, can you help me open this? Oh, thank you, Dad. So, ooh. Looks like you can change that, and it is like a sniper with this part on, but that is cool. It even has this thing, and it looks like you do this, and it goes like you imagine it's changing, and then you go like. But don't forget, you gotta fill this part up with water so you can go. So let's put this trash on the floor. Put this down. That's a lot of stuff on this box. So we might put this down, or we put it right here, so you can take a long look from doing it. So this is it, and we put it right here with the scissors. And I'll put the scissors right there. And now let's open Zurg, his Buzz Lightyear's enemy. I always forget his name because this is old. There's the characters are very old. I'm gonna cut this piece first because it was hard to do that one. I have to do this. I see where it cuts. Just keep moving. Or I have to do this again. I have to do this again first. There. That was easy. That was so easy. Oh, there's taping this one too. There. I might do this first. It'll be the same. I got it. Oh yeah, I still have to do this part. So we have to cut this tape. And try and... Oh, forgot about this one. Got that one, hopefully. Got it. And that's how you unbox this one. And it'd be like the same like this. I'm like ripping it open like wrap. Because I did rip it open. Because this is cool. But puts this one in the pile of trash. Now let's flip it over so we can get these parts. Whoa. Rip the tape off first. I think you have to unwind it with this one. It's hard to unwind this one. Got it? How easy was that? There was one on the bottom. And push it out. I got it open. Boosh, boosh. And you can do this, switch it. Ice out. It looks like you have to switch it to 1, and if you keep doing 3 times, or you have to change the barrels like it said too. That's cool. And this is where you open to get the water, and that is about this one. You can pretend you do this one. This is pushable too, but it's tough. And then it makes a little squeaking sound. But that's cool. And we put the rest of the trash on the floor. And I'll put this right here on the side. And this is your Buzz Lightyear and your Zurg water blasters. Let's test these babies before we end this video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to leave a like I want 1,000,000, 1,000,000, a trillion subscribers and likes. And if you want to see more content, press the notifications bell to never miss a video. Bye!